Okay, so this is Alice, who's just come back and done her live model training. So Alice, it's been a little while since you did the first 2 days. A year, yes. We had lockdown after lockdown. You unfortunate one that had to keep putting push back. But we finally made it. We finally got you in, and you finally done the live model training. So I don't know if you can refresh your memory back to yesterday, but do you remember dealing with your first ever client, actually doing the first ever treatment?
Diane.
Okay, yeah. So how did that go?
It was really good actually, because I was so nervous when I arrived, and Diane just made me feel at ease anyway. And once I'd done the first couple of passes, I just felt like I could just carry on, which was really strange because I was so nervous.
That's it. And well, I suppose because you come from a non-beauty background, because you work, and then you used to do like Slimming World and all that as well, didn't you?
Yeah, I work in IT now. Yeah. So it's completely different for me.
Yeah. And obviously you've had plenty of time to practice with your machine and everything, which has been one advantage, I suppose, of having such a long wait.
Actually, and I've just been doing loads of skins and ordering the skins online, but it is actually different on the real skin.
Yeah.
So it's easier than the practice skins for me. So
I
found that much better actually working on real people. So.
Excellent. Well, that's always good.
Yeah.
And then obviously you had another client yesterday, brows and liner, and then this morning we had another client in. This time it's someone that we've never had in before, so brand new brows, brand new eyeliner. And how was that, sort of working on sort of fresh skin, I suppose, as well?
That was good because I got a chance to measure and start completely
with a blank
fresh.
template. Yeah.
So that was completely different, but I actually found that just as easy as doing a top-up. So even though you're doing more things, it's nice to start straight from the beginning and work your way through rather than just go in on a template. Yeah. If that makes sense. But,
excellent.
Yeah.
So how have you found the sort of training overall then? Like, I mean, I know you've got sort of one-on-one with Katy, and you've had obviously. Kate says your only criticism is that you don't ask enough questions, like you that sort of thing. But have your questions been answered as such? And do you find?
Yeah, I've just kind of stored them all up.
Yes.
Written them down at home.
Well, that's one good thing at least. At least you're keeping a record of any queries you have.
Yeah, and lots of things through the training that the masterclass, I've managed to answer most of the questions anyway.
Like the online support and that side of things.
But I've probably asked Katy so many questions the last 2 days.
It's been pretty intensive, isn't it?
Everything, yeah. So, but it's brilliant. Yeah, it's really good.
Excellent.
I feel very confident now. So.
Yeah, well, that's the main thing, isn't it? That's what you hope at the end of it, I suppose, is to feel confident and to start being able to think, right, okay, when I've got people lined up, I can crack straight on and start working with people.
Especially before I came, because it had been quite a while.
Yes.
I was having wobbles every so often, and I thought I just can't do this. I can't do it. And then the following week I'd do a few, and they'd be okay. And I thought, yeah, that's fine. But a couple of days before, I just had a huge wobble, and I thought, what am I doing?
Yeah.
But it's only when you get here and you're in the environment.
Exactly. That's it.
It's really fine.
It's strange things that can go through your head, isn't it, when you're on your own and you're sort of practicing, and you've had such a long wait as well, and especially with the whole world the way it is at the moment, you know what I mean? It's a bit crazy, isn't it?
It is,
but it's great that you've come back and we finally got you in. That's all right, and you've brought some lovely little treats as well. So we've been enjoying some little macaroons, and you brought some handmade cakes and things last time, which was very nice. But we'll look forward to seeing your models and case studies coming through thick and fast, I'm sure.
Yeah, well, I've got 15 now.
15
case studies. So
what, lined up sort of thing, or consultations? Oh wow.
Consultations.
Okay.
So I'm hoping they'll all go into treatments.
Exactly. Well, that's the other advantage of having quite a long time between booking a course and doing it, or doing your first 2 days and your second 2 days, is you do have that time to sort of get the word around and then put yourself in a position where when you finish the live model training, you can get off to a really good start as well.
Yeah, that's it. Hopefully.
Yes, indeed. Well, I'm sure you will. And any questions, obviously, in the meantime, feel free to give us a shout.
You.
And you've also got access to all the business stuff as well, and all the online support.
Yes.
So there's lots to be.
Helpful.
Always useful.
I'm going to just start again.
Yes.
Fresh. Now I've done the practical side of it.
Yes.
It's good to go back and just think, oh yeah, that's.
See it with a fresh pair of eyes, I suppose.
Yeah, so that'll be good.
Brilliant. And we look forward to working with you in the future.
Thank you.
No problem. Cheers, Alice.